Hello everyone, this is Sikandar Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to effectively use Google Scholar and how to optimize the search for searching the journal or article paper using the Google Scholar. So let's start how to use the Google Scholar effectively. So here you can see there is one window where you can search any keywords. So I would suggest to before searching anything, so you optimize the keywords so that you will get the best result from the Google word. So if you search randomly, then you will be very tough to find the articles which are related to. So be specific and search the specific keyword. Okay, so I will also explain some of the tips how to use the keyword to in the search engine or Google Scholar. Okay, so let us try to search one keyword and let us see how this Google Scholars work and how can we optimize the search in Google Scholar. Okay, so let us search one topic, Reeve pillar stability. Okay, now you can see there are a lot of results are showing, almost 22,000 results are showing, but hopefully I know there are many articles or papers which are showing is not relevant to my works. So few are research works are relevant to my works, so I will find only those research papers which are relevant. Okay, so one things which I want to tell you that you can just notice one thing, the first result, that is analysis of gate road stability. Okay, here you can see cited by 68 people. Okay, 68 research article. Okay, so these articles is cited by 68 author, and that papers are showing in the first list. Now here you can see 44, and as you go down you will see the citation of the article papers goes down, cited by 14, and some of the articles are also you can find the citations are above 41, 163. So when you are seeing the articles, you have one look on the citation. If the number of citations is large, definitely the article will be very good, because if many authors are citing this article, it must be the good article. So this is the first things where you can look. And here I will also suggest that when you are searching any article papers, you have to be a specific timeline. Okay, so if you are searching any articles, so be specific on the time. You don't randomly search, so you will get the articles that are very old, and maybe before 10 year or 12 year the research trends are changed. So I suggest you just search article as latest as available. So okay, here you can see the timeline where you can see since 2021, 2022. I will go there. So before there you can also see some of the more option. Here you can see the related articles. If you find one articles in this page, let us see. I assume this article is relevant, but I want more article related to this article. So as I go down, there are many articles, but it's confused me. So that I will go just here and I just see this article is relevant. So here there is one option, related article. Just click here, this related articles option, and you will get the articles which are related to this article. So I feel that you will find the related article, and that will be very relevant to the your research work. So just click here, you will get list of articles which are relevant to that article, and here you can see there are many articles. Okay, now come back, and here you can see also the version. You can also see there are version are available in this net. So I suggest you just keep in all versions. So either it is available in a PDF format or other format you will get. So I suggest you just keep in all version. And here you can also see one more options that is very interesting. Here the star mark, you can just click, and this star mark says save. So just click this star mark, and this articles is saved in your account, Google Scholar account. So here you can see there is one library option. You can just go there and you see there is one paper which you have saved earlier, analysis of gate road. Okay, there is one there are few more options are provided here. You can just select this article and you can just edit, delete, or you can export in different format. Like there are four type of formats are given in this Google Scholar: BibTeX, EndNote, and Refman. CSV file is also there. So mostly I think most people are exporting in BibTeX or EndNote. Okay, here you can also see labels. If you want to label this article, let us suppose in your library there are a lot of research articles, let's say 1 or 150. So if you want to label these articles like this is 10 or 12 papers are related to pillar stability, so just label that article papers in the pillar stability. Some of the article papers are on basis of neural network, so just label that papers are neural network. So once you click the label, you will get all the papers which you have labeled. Okay, so now just come to the back and I will show some of the more option. Here you can see the cite option. Just click, you will see few of the maximum used citation like MLA. This is very used citation: APA, Chicago, Harvard, and Vancouver. This format or this citation articles are mostly used. So this is styles, and the citation formats are available. You can just copy and paste your work. So I will not suggest to do this. I suggest to go to the Mendeley and cite this article papers as you required or as you require your citation. So I not recommend to copy this citation and do these things. But as I recommend this, you can export here as BibTeX in Note. That will be good. Now coming to the next part. So searching articles is very difficult, so you have to be specific time. So just let us suppose if you want a papers that published latest, so just click since 2021. So you will get the articles which published in 2021 year. So see, this article paper is 2021. Here you can also see this article paper is 21. Here you can also see 21. So you will get the latest paper. And here if you want papers which published in 2020, you will get this article paper. Here one thing more important you need to notice that when you are trying to download any article papers, before doing this, you can just have a look on the journal. See here, I just want a papers which published in 2021. So here there is one paper, and you can see the journal name. Okay, so that will give you an idea that where this paper is published. If the first line papers are published in any Scopus or any reputed journal, that will give you idea how much good this paper is. If the paper is not published in a very low type of journal, then you will skip that. So let us see this paper is Tunneling and Underground Space Technology. This is very good journal. Here Energy Science. Okay, here Mining, Metallurgy and Exploration. Okay, so you will also have a look on the journal name. Here now you can see also you have one more option like sort by date. Here you can see the custom range. You can just write 2020 and you can say here 2018. Now you can search, you will get the articles papers which published in the range of 2018 to 2021. Okay, 2020. Okay, you can see some of the articles papers which published during this range. So you will optimize your search engine. Now here there is one options, include patent. If you want the papers or article at the same time related to this keyword, you can just check in this line. Okay, include the patent. Here you will see the create alert. So there is one option, you can just put your email ID, and if the papers published in this keyword, you will get a notification. Okay, so here you can just create an alert, and you can do do like this. So this is all about the Google Scholar, how to optimize your research works. So next video I will make one video on advanced search on Google Scholar. So thank you for watching.